Hey guys, we are going to be doing part two of lesson two, looking inside cells. Last time we covered the parts of the cell, and those are going to be really important for the test. And today we're kind of just going to wrap it up. So let's go ahead and write down the success criteria. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe how cells are organized in many celled organisms. Be sure to pause this and get this in your notes. All right, so how do cells work together in an organism now that we know they're made of cells? So plants and animals, including you, are multicellular, which means made of many cells. Single-celled organisms are called unicellular. In a multicellular organism, the cells often look quite different from one another. They also perform different functions. So all cells in a multicellular organism must carry out key functions, such as getting oxygen to remain alive. However, cells also may be specialized. That is, they perform specific functions that benefit the entire organism. These specialized cells share what can be called a division of labor. One type of cell does one kind of job, while other types of cells do other jobs. For example, red blood cells carry oxygen to other cells that may be busy digesting your food. Just as specialized cells differ in function, they also differ in structure. Each type of cell has a distinct shape. A division of labor occurs among specialized cells in an organism. It also occurs at other levels of organization. In multicellular organisms, cells are organized into tissues, organs, and organ systems. A tissue is a group of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function. For example, your brain is made mostly of nerve tissue, which consists of nerve cells that relay information to other parts of your body. An organ, such as your brain, is made of different kinds of tissues that function together. For example, the brain also has blood vessels that carry the blood that supplies oxygen to your brain cells. Your brain is part of your nervous system, which directs body activities and processes. An organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform a major function. The level of organization in an organism becomes more complex from cell to tissue to organ systems. So that's how it works. You stack cells together to create a tissue, and you add tissues together to create an organ. And organs together work together to create an organ system. And many organ systems working together create an organism. So that's how it's built. We're going to talk about more about that organization, or we're going to practice it more in later assignments. But make sure you have all of the highlighted notes down in your notes, so you'll have resources to look back at when we actually do the practice. Okay, quickly, let's review the concepts. Be sure to write these down in your notes and fill in the blanks. So, excuse me, cells work together to create blank, tissues work together to create blank, and organs work together to create blank. So fill in those blanks for me. The next one is, what is it called when a cell has a specific function or job? Sorry about my typo there. What is it called when a cell has a specific function or job? So answer that question. And then the last one, an organism with many cells is called blank, and a cell with just one cell is called blank. So fill those in, and then when you're done, you're done.